Really, good afternoon. Let me turn off this thing. I was watching Abena's World. It's a Ghanaian YouTube. I think YouTube. Abena's World here on YouTube. I'm so stressed out. I've been on the road since morning from one errand to another, but right now I'm in front of God is Good. Opposite, actually, I'm parked opposite. I want to send these things to Abuja. I have other things here, so let's get that back here. For my self-proclaimed godson, my friend Uche's son. I mentioned here once that I've been buying things, so I feel like I've gotten a lot of stuff now. Moreover, I want to also send things to my cousin in Abuja that sews Mandimo's cuts. I've talked about her here on this channel before, so let me just use one stone and kill two birds. So I'll just send everything to my cousin, and then my cousin will send them to Uche in Abuja. Uche is in Abuja at the moment. She's at her mom's for Omugo. So I got a bunch of things for her son. Very cute things, so cute. Let me just give you a sneak peek. This is very cute stuff. Socks, 6-in-1. Very cute. Let me show you this one as well. You guys, look at this onesie. He has a lot of clothes from what I heard, so I tried to buy things from 6 months. I think 6 months were just maybe 2 things. Then I bought things from 10 to 12 months, 12 to 24. I think I even have something of 3 to 4 years. This one I got it the last time I traveled. Let me show you. Rad like that. I usually don't come on here to show people gifts, but I just let you show you this over. Yeah, this is cute shoe as well. Oh my goodness. I got it with a red shirt to match and blue shorts. Like, my baby boy is going to be looking snatched at all times. Okay, I love mama. I don't know why I've been gravitating towards blue. I didn't even know until I looked at everything recently. I'm like, blue. Maybe because it's a boy. Don't know. Wow, it's been a rainy day today, guys. Since morning. Throughout this week, it's been raining all day here in Port Harcourt. I'm so cold. But yeah, I just had to come on here and show you all my new packages. What actually inspired me to sit on this floor and show you these things is how fast the delivery of this package was. This is from Zara. A backstory on this thing. I have a wedding in Lagos on Saturday. Today is a Thursday, by the way. It's the 19th of August 2021, and I needed a shoe for my outfit. I was just contemplating, dilly-dallying, just wasting time. Like, I need a shoe. But when I made up my mind was, I think 3 days ago, on Sunday to be precise. So I placed this order on Sunday on Zara. They didn't ship up until Tuesday morning. And in my head, I'm like, don't worry, I've missed this thing. No wahala. They will not even deliver to me again. And I was tracking it. As at this morning when I tracked it, was still in Lagos. So I'm like, okay, they'll deliver it tomorrow, hopefully before I leave for the airport, because I leave for the airport around 10-11. My flight is for 12. And lo and behold, the guy called me that he's at my gate. You guys, Tuesday to Thursday, 2 days from Europe to Nigeria on Zara. That means if I was in Lagos, they would have delivered it yesterday. So a day. Like, you can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me I'm not living abroad at this point. You cannot tell me I am not living abroad at this point. I've not even looked at it. I just had to unbox it with you people and see what it is. I know what it looks like though, because I was the one that placed my order. But in real life, I haven't seen it. So let me open. I'm not even ready to rearrange my camera and do angles now, so we should just manage. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It comes in the dust bag with Zara written on it, per usual. If you've shopped from Zara recently, you know that that's what they used to package their shoes. And then this is my footwear. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Wait, this light is too bright. Wait, let me reduce it so you can see. It's in lilac. It's so beautiful, and it has these silver details in front. Oh my goodness, this is everything I wanted. And the heel is not so high. This is about maybe 2.5 to 2, yeah, between 2.2 and 2.5, you guys. And my lace is black and lilac, what I'm wearing. Ooh, hey, then go here, Ramo. This Lagos that I'm going to. Don't mind me, I really like it. I really like it. I have a purse that I intend to pair with it. Let me bring it out and see if it will go. But it's so beautiful. Ooh, very grownish. I love it. Let me look for the purse and show you guys, so you'll be the judge if it goes or not. This is the purse. I tend to pair with it. It goes. Let me see them together. Ooh, it's so beautiful. So yeah, that's it. That's the only thing I ordered. So you guys, I paid $19.99 for this thing to come, but I don't mind because I mean I really love it, and it wasn't so expensive. The shoe itself was not so expensive. I think it was either 20 euro or something, maybe 29 something. And then the second thing I'm going to show you is my birthday gift. I know my birthday gift haul is up, but I didn't get this until last week, so I'm like, okay, I should just even include it in this vlog and show you. But yeah, it's a Lancome gift set. I love my aunties, so I love my family members. They just give the best gifts. I give the best gifts rather. So this is from my aunt. She gifted me this is the Lancome perfume set, but this also comes with the fragrance body lotion. If you have watched my perfume haul, you know that this perfume is one of my favorite perfumes in the world. Like, my auntie perceived it on me and she's like, "Hey girl, you have this perfume." I'm like, "Auntie, that's my best perfume. I'm almost running out." She just said, "Oh, okay," not knowing that she had it in mind to buy me a full gift set of it. I'm trying so hard not to pronounce it because I know I will murder it, but here it goes. La Vie Est Belle. Vie Est Belle. I cannot do what I'm not used to. You people, please understand. In that my perfume, so many people were correcting me, like, it's not my first language, but yeah, it's from Lancome, and this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. So this is the full size perfume. This is a travel size, and it comes with the lotion. I'm definitely going with this on my trip to Lagos. So yeah, I'm so excited because the other one has finished. And I was just thinking of how I was going to buy it. I bringing out more than 50 something K to buy perfume, but yeah, God sees my heart. He knows my needs. He made it available. So thank you to my auntie. I know she doesn't watch YouTube, but if she ever comes across this video. So yeah, that's it. It's looking as if I have long hair, but see, it's still that my cut hair. I'm lucky. I don't like to use the word regret, but somehow I'm not happy about it. I don't fuck me shy. Hey guys, good afternoon. This vlog, I love how spaced out the footages are, but it still has a theme. Do you get? Like, everything in this vlog, or most of the things in this vlog, are new news, like new items, new things that I got and stuff. So yeah, I got a new sneakers for workout. This Puma sneaker. Shopper Helper helped me get it from what's this store? It's so cute. I've always wanted to get this Puma, but while I traveled I didn't get it in my size, hence me going for the Adidas one. Very comfy. I've tried it on before now, so I knew that 39.5 was going to be my size. Just ordered it and she got it for me. My other sneakers has been to hell and back, so I just needed something to alternate with. That's why I got this one actually. Also, I've started putting together the things for giveaway. I know I hit 10K ages ago, but I've not been steady. I just came back, and while arranging my room today, I decided that I was going to put together the things, arrange them in boxes. Even though I'm not done, I feel like I'm still going to get maybe 3 or 4 items to just make the box a bit fuller and then give it to people. I already have one person in mind, but the other person I'm still contemplating. It's so cute. I love the box. I got it from one Instagram vendor. I will leave her on the screen. Third thing I'm going to show you guys are new skincare products. You all know that I stand the ordinary. So my friend Ibilate was coming back from the UK, helped me get some ordinary products just to restock what I already have, and yeah, I also added some new products as well. So I got the Alpha Abutine 2% plus HA, which is what I normally use. I got 2 of each so that I don't run out anytime soon. One bottle lasts for about 3 months for me, so in the next 6 months I don't think I'm going to get new skincare. So this is it. My OG. I really love this one. I tried the one with vitamin C, but it did not work for my skin at all. If you're somebody that uses it, I can dash you. I still have like half bottle here. It wasn't it at all. To think that that one is more expensive, it was too harsh on my skin, so I just let it go and got this one. I also decided to try out their moisturizer. This is the Natural Moisturizing Factors, and it comes in a tube, just like their vitamin C serum or whatever. Yeah, so far I haven't gotten any adverse reaction using this moisturizer. Normally for my skin to get used to a new additive, I will break out a bit, so that one has happened. Aside that, nothing else happened, so I would stick to that. What else did I get? Okay, I also got niacinamide and 10% zinc. Niacinamide 10% and 1% zinc. This one I always use it. This one I never want to run out of it because it's so gentle on my skin and I really love it. And then I got the Bondi Sands sunscreen. The last time I did my skincare haul, I still have it actually. Let me show you guys. So yeah, my last skincare haul, I showed you all this one. It's also from Bondi Sands, but this is the body SPF 50. Okay, so many people in the comments are like, oh, this is for body, this is not for face. I read about it and the difference is not much. I think the only difference was vitamin E or something. So your girl was not about to spend money again to buy another SPF, so I decided to use it. I'm almost done with it. That's almost hit pan, hence my getting this one. So I went for the face one this time, also from Bondi Sands, and this is their SPF 50 for face. Right, what else did I get? Okay, I got my eye gel. This one I use is from Boots. This is the vitamin C brightening eye gel. I really love how gentle this is on my skin. Quite affordable. It's about £4 or something. And the last one I have is not even done with here, so this I will keep in storage. It's really good, makes my under eye clear. So yeah, that's it with this vlog. I think I should just end this vlog at this point. I want to go out now and give someone something. She wants to come to the store and check out stuff. Today's a Saturday, by the way. I had a wedding to attend, but I just canceled because I really needed to clean my room. Since I came back, I've not cleaned my room, so I did deep cleaning today. My room is shining, sparkling. Yeah, let me show you guys this thing. See the way I moved my perfumes to some of my perfumes actually. So I just put them on top this mat I got from Miniso some time ago. I love their new location now. From here, this is what it looks like. It looks very classy. I wanted another type of tray or something, but right now I'm not about to spend that amount. The one I said for 18,000. You guys, I just bought my laptop yesterday and it cost a lot of money, and I got some accessories, a lot of things actually, and it hits my purse very well. That's all I'm going to say. So yeah, these are the things, these are the items I just showed you all, and we're back to me. So yeah, that's it with this vlog. If you enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't already. I will see your lovely face, or you will see my lovely face actually in the next one. Love you. Bye.